What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to share 5 free websites that every student absolutely must know. These tools will completely change the way you study and work, so make sure you watch till the end. The first website is Notion. Think of it as your personal digital workspace. Whether you want to take notes, organize your assignments, or plan your weekly schedule, Notion does it all in one place. No more messy notebooks, no more lost papers. Everything stays organized and easy to find. The best part? The student plan is completely free. Go check it out at notion.so. The second website is Canva. Need to make a presentation, design a poster, or create a professional CV? Canva has thousands of ready-made templates, no design experience needed. Just pick a template, add your content, and your work looks completely professional, totally free at canva.com. The third website is PDF24. This is the most powerful free PDF tool out there. Merge multiple PDF files, split a large PDF, compress heavy files, or convert PDF to Word. Everything in one website, completely free, no app download needed. Visit pdf24.org right now. The fourth website is TinyWow. This website can do almost everything you need. Convert images, compress videos, edit files, and so much more. Students do not need to download multiple apps anymore. Just open TinyWow and get your work done. Check it out at tinywow.com. The fifth website is Photopea. This is like having Photoshop completely for free. Edit your profile pictures, create images for assignments, design posters, all inside your browser. No software download needed. Just open it and start editing. Visit photopea.com. So those were the 5 free websites every student must know. Notion, Canva, PDF24, TinyWow, and Photopea. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Noman Nexus for more amazing content, and comment below. Which website did you not know before? See you in the next one.